Today, we are using ChatGPT to generate a simple Tkinter GUI. The phrase, "example for Tkinter GUI in Python with menu bar," is used. ChatGPT provides us with the Python code to create the graphical user interface including a menu bar. In our example, we want to open an Excel file. We use the search phrase, "open file" method should open an Excel file. ChatGPT updates the code. Finally, we want to plot the first column of a given Excel file. We use the phrase, "method plot file should plot the first column of the Excel file," as search term. Finally, we obtain the final code for the GUI that provides all these features. In summary, ChatGPT provides fully functional code. It helps in debugging and provides functional solutions. The code is well written, and I was able to learn new commands that I have not used before. Negative aspects are, it needs some basic understanding of programming, might include irrelevant code and might contain outdated code from previous searches. Thank you for listening to the video, and please keep a like or add to the channel.